The Leipan 1200X digital microscope stands out with a generous 7-inch high-definition screen that tilts, making long viewing sessions much more comfortable than peering through traditional eyepieces. Its wide continuous magnification range from roughly 10 times up to about 1,200 times lets you move from quick overviews to very fine detail, which is ideal for coins, circuit boards, and hobby inspection. A ring of adjustable light-emitting diode lights combined with 2 flexible side lamps does an excellent job of eliminating shadows so tiny features stay evenly lit and easy to see. Being able to connect the microscope directly to a Windows or Mac computer for a larger live view makes it far more useful for teaching, demonstrations, and sharing findings. The built-in camera captures high-resolution still images and full high-definition video, and the wired remote makes it easy to record without shaking the microscope. A solid metal stand and base give the whole setup a sturdy, weighty feel that keeps the image stable and makes it practical for electronics work and other hands-on projects.